What's up, guys? So today I'm just gonna be walking in the woods back here. I came back here in the summer and there was like a bunch of old, I think it was a stove or something in the woods. So I just wanted to go check out what was back here and see if we could find anything cool. So I'm at the opening of the trail. There's a tree stand over there. So when I came in summer, there was a ton of mosquitoes back here. And this actually leads to the pond, a different part of the pond. But it's not really a good spot to fish or anything. Yeah, see, I found there's something over here. Some metal thing. Looks like it might be a old piece of equipment or something. Oh yeah, that's cool. It's like the seat and the wheels to a big old wagon or something. Yeah, those big wheels. I don't know what it says on the seat. I'm gonna try to make it out. It says Walter A. Wood. That's cool. And there's some other pieces of metal over here. So try to get those. Oh, that is awesome, dude. There's a wheel that got like swallowed by this tree. No way. Dude. Y'all see that? So it's just smaller wheels, probably to the same wagon. But as you can see, it's like the tree's growing over it. It's stuck in there. That is cool, bro. This looks like, oh, this is actually, you can actually grab a hold of this. It's probably some kind of tower with the spikes right here. It tows up the dirt. That's pretty cool. We can actually pick that up. It'd be awesome if you could find like a wheel, just the whole wheel to take back. This says Hudson. Try not to get cut by any of this rusty stuff. Yeah, I'm not sure what that goes to. Yeah, Hudson right there. Looks pretty cool. I don't know what it is though. Right here looks like, oh, is that a big pot? No way. Oh man, it's got a hole through it. Dude, that would have been cool. I mean, it still is cool, but it's awesome. Looks like it used to be some dark blue. All these little white spots. It's awesome, dude. It's got the handle. It probably said the brand on the bottom, but it's all torn up and rusted. It's a cool find, though. Also, no bucket. It's just a metal bucket. Oh, it's full of concrete. That's pretty cool. No brand or anything on the bottom. There's a lot of good big sticks and stuff back here. Big branches. Probably make like a teepee or something. I might have to do that sometime. Just make a little shelter out here. Just for fun. I don't know. Maybe if I'm brave enough, I'll come camp out back here, but I'm not too sure about that. I have to jump across there. So apparently there's like bamboo or something. Looks like bamboo. I don't think there's really much of that over here. So that's pretty cool. So one thing I do like to collect is sticks that have been like bit, like chewed on by beavers. Like that little stump right here. Oh, okay. Well, stuff like that. And I think I see one right here. Yep, there's one. So you can see it's all bit up and they just make it like super smooth. And there's a bunch of teeth marks all along this and they bit off this end. So I'm probably keep that. That's pretty cool to find. See that right there, that's a cool one. That is like way too big for me to keep. try to show you a little better. See how it's just so round? You can see all the teeth marks, but it's way too big. This is the second one of these I found. I'm not sure what it is, really. If y'all can let me know, that'd be great. See, this right here is like beaver paradise. There's another pretty cool one. It's a stump. That one's shaved down pretty good. Then there's this piece. Maybe a little too big for me to keep. Oof. I might have to take that. I might come back through here and get it on my way out. It's like a double-ended beaver log, basically. That one's pretty cool. I found a perfect keeper size. That's a nice one too. So you can still kind of see the bark on it. I kind of like them when they're like this because it kind of gives a little pattern on it. Oh, it's another double-ended one. I don't know. Yeah, I might just come back and get this one after too. Sorry if my hoodie string was in the way. I didn't notice that, but that's a nice one too. I'm gonna leave it over here, and then I'll try to come back and get this one. That's a nice one too. So I'm gonna add those to the stash and keep looking for more. Alright guys, this is really cool. So this is like the beaver in the process of making this little tree fall. There's this one, that's the one I was talking about earlier. That's a pretty cool one. You see all the teeth marks right there. This one is like in the progress of, you know, getting through this whole tree. That's really cool. Just think how long it takes them to do this too. They got that determination. What I'd really love to find is some deer antlers. Here's another stick, but it's really crumbly, so I'm not gonna take that one. But yeah, some deer antlers or something, or a skull. I want one of those. So I came across these things back there. I think there might be an opening over there because I think they used to hunt back there, so it could just be full of like corn or something. I don't know. I'm gonna go check that out. Wait, this may be the trail I was talking about. Well, this definitely wasn't here last time. That's cool though. They built a little I think it's for duck hunting. Yeah, all this wasn't here last time. I was confused what these blue barrels are for. But yeah, it's got a trolling motor on it, and yeah. Huh, didn't even know that was here. That must have been like super recent. Probably past a couple weeks. But yeah, the last time I came back here, there's a bunch of turkey feathers. I was collecting those because my mom likes to keep those, use them for crafts and stuff. Ooh, nice beaver stick right here. That's a super nice one. Oh, it's got the weight. Let's go. That's a perfect one, I think. Super heavy, super thick, and nice and clean. It's a nice one. It feels like a baseball bat. Just picked this thing up. This is probably the coolest one yet. It's got a bunch of little markings. I don't know if that was from bugs or the beavers. I'm assuming the beavers. Super wet right now, so it's gonna feel better when it's dried off, but that is a really cool one. It's got markings all over it. Definitely keeping that one. So this is all hunting land back here. I'll try to get to the top of this so I can maybe get a better aerial view of it. So looks like there's a trail over there. Might try to go over there, but I'm not sure if that's the same property. I'll have to check. I'm definitely gonna go over here. I didn't even know it was that open over there, so. And then I might go back down there. So I'm just walking a little deeper back here. I found a little bottle, glass bottle. Not sure what it is. It says 50 on there. I don't know what that means, maybe 50 cents. Like for the bottle return thing. Okay, so I just found this really fresh little beaver stump. I'm gonna call it that. Yeah, that's really fresh. You can see the wood chunks on the ground right here. It's pretty dry too. That's pretty cool. It could have been today, or at least in the past week, I don't know. That's cool though. I think it'd be cool to see a beaver out here too, like in the process of biting one of them. That'd be awesome. This would also be a good spot to find a bunch of frogs. Like I could fish with some frogs sometime, but don't know if they're really out this time of year. But yeah, it's like really muddy and yeah, as you can see back here. I don't really know much about mushrooms or anything like that. But I know there's this one kind that's called chicken of the woods or something. And I was wondering if it was this. Because that one kind, I think it does grow in the trees like that. And you can actually eat them. And I ain't trying nothing. But I think it'd be cool to figure out what ones these are. Just found this beaver stick. Super big at the end. It's really cool looking. Gets skinnier down here. It's like a big old club. You twack someone over the head with it. God dang. That's pretty cool. I ain't taking it though. It's way too big. Alright, we're gonna show y'all another stick, but there's a green bottle right here. That still has the cap on it. I can't really tell. It looks like an L. Oh, no. It's a 17. I don't know what that is. There's not really any words on the cap. That's a cool bottle though. Might keep that, I don't know. Alright, I'm coming to the entrance. I've got all my sticks and stuff. I'm gonna drop them over here and try to go find another spot. Came back over to the big metal, what's it called? The tower or whatever. Found a pretty modern looking jar. Might be a mason jar. Oh, it's got a big old hole in it. One thing I don't understand is how come bricks and like old stones like this, they always grow the moss on them, but not really any other thing. I mean, trees do, but it's always like the bricks and all that stuff. Just wonder why. See, like there's another one right here. It's just covered in it. Not sure why. It's got some words on it and not words, words and numbers. So there's like an 8 and 11 and a half. So it must be some kind of measurement. This says Billups. Could be a brand or something. Okay, so in my last metal detecting video, actually I don't know if I posted it yet, but when I found that coin, I went out the next day and I found like 2 or 3 of these, and I wasn't sure what they were. Shaped just like this, so they must be from the same thing. It says right here champion 11 and a half, I think. Then it says Billups again right here. So I'm not sure what it comes off of, but they're all like the same size and shape as this. So I don't know what part of the machine it goes to, but that'd be cool to figure it out. Look at this old chain. It's so rusted it won't even move. It's just stuck together. It's cool though. I'm trying to get this piece out. Metal piece. Looks pretty cool. I'm just getting this stuff around it. It's a little wiggly, so I'm gonna just try to dig it up. Oh, it's coming. Never mind. Well, whatever it is, we got it up. Oh, no way. Dude, that's a big old clamp. See this? That's the thing that turns it and this opens up. That's a huge one. God. That's pretty cool. I don't know what purpose it would have on that machine or whatever that was, tractor, something. I have no idea. This thing still moves a little bit, but definitely ain't gonna turn. Yo guys, I actually got one of the wheels to come up out the ground. I didn't even know it was a wheel at first, but it was like super easy to pull out once I got a hold of it. Let's go. Dude, I might actually take that home. That's awesome. That's a nice wheel, bro. That'd be a cool thing to hang off like a barn or something. That's awesome. Well guys, I think I'm gonna wrap up this video. We found some cool stuff, especially all this metal junk pile. Found a lot of cool stuff in here, like the wheel getting sucked up by the tree, and this big old, yeah, that thing. And found a bunch of those cool beaver sticks and some cool old bottles. Not sure how old those were, but still cool to find. So I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you did. And see you on the next one. Peace out.